In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the different WordPress.com plans. If you've ever found yourself pondering which plan suits your needs or your budget, you're in the right place. Let's break it all down and make it easy to decide which one is the perfect fit for you. WordPress.com offers 5 primary plans, each crafted to meet a range of needs and goals. We'll start with the free plan. This is an excellent choice if you're just doing some hobby blogging, or if you're testing the waters with WordPress. It includes a basic subdomain, so your site will have the .wordpress.com extension. You also get access to basic themes, which are pretty straightforward to use if you're just getting started and don't want too many bells and whistles. Next, we have the personal plan, which is perfect for simple personal sites. One of the key benefits here is the ability to use a custom domain, giving your site a more personalized and professional look. Plus, you won't have to deal with WordPress ads, which is always a plus. The support here is basic, but it's adequate for a straightforward site that doesn't require too much attention. The premium plan is tailored for freelancers and small blogs. It adds a layer of sophistication with access to premium themes and allows for basic customization, giving you more flexibility in how your site looks and functions. If you're looking to start earning from ads, this plan sets the stage for monetization. It's ideal for those who have bigger aspirations than a personal diary and want to start growing a follower base. For small businesses and serious bloggers, the business plan might be your best bet. This plan opens the door to installing plugins, which can significantly enhance your site's functionality. Advanced SEO tools available in this plan help boost your site's visibility, while unlimited theme options let you fine-tune your site's appearance. Plus, with integration into Google Analytics, you can keep a closer eye on your traffic and user behavior. Finally, there's the e-commerce plan, designed specifically for online stores. This plan provides a comprehensive suite of tools for selling products online, including full store features, diverse payment gateways, and shipping integrations. It's the best choice if your primary goal is to run an online shop. Now, how do you choose the right plan for you? Start by asking yourself 3 critical questions about your website's purpose, customization needs, and budget. If your goal is merely sharing posts for fun, the free or personal plans might suffice. However, if you're looking to grow a blog or brand, consider the premium or business plan, depending on how extensively you plan to customize your site. Finally, if you're selling products online, then the e-commerce plan is undoubtedly the way to go. For those with minimal customization needs, the free, personal, or premium plans will probably fit the bill. On the other hand, if you need the power to install plugins or run advanced tools, business and e-commerce options are worth the investment. Budget-wise, keeping costs low directs you to free or personal plans, but if you're ready to invest for growth, premium, business, or e-commerce plans are waiting for you. With these insights, you're well equipped to choose the WordPress.com plan that best aligns with your goals and needs.